will be served to the gifted, baby! All these people, everybody in this arena, about to belong to us!
Tornado Tag Team match. The Gifted versus the Notorious Stateline. The match that started a lot of things in POW, not only for WCT and Logan Cruz, but also for Eddie Torres and Damian Angel. This match was infamous for so many reasons. A match that yours truly, El Presidente, ordered, and the senior referee Lee just sound the bell, and we can hear how the crowd is singing, "Stateline is going to kill you." And just to give you a little bit of history, a little bit of context about this match, yours truly, El Presidente, ordered this tornado tag match after WCT and Logan Cruz were threatening with lawsuits after what Julie did at Pre-Anniversary. And wow! This match started hot. We saw how Eddie Torres just threw WCT out of the ring and used him as a weapon against Logan Cruz, and now the Gifted are out of the ring, outside of the ring. And the match continues out. And for those who are not familiar to what is a tornado tag match, everything is valid. You can use any weapons. False count anywhere. Pretty much, the match can go out of control at any point, and we can see how. Oh! Damian Angel with that devastating chop to WCT's anatomy, and continues with those series of blows on WCT's chest. He will need his pump. He's out of air. He's out of breath already. And the match continues, and now we see how it's going to come out. Wow! What a reversal on that Irish whip from WCT to Damian Angel. Now the match continues with Logan Cruz and Eddie Torres on the other side of the ring, in the ringside area. This match was mayhem in so many ways. For those who love violence, yes, this match will have everything that you love. And Damian Angel continues attacking with those devastating chops to the anatomy of WCT, and wow! What a blow to WCT's back. And now we see how Damian Angel is just stomping on WCT's head. The POW faithful, they know what is coming for WCT and Logan Cruz when you face the Notorious Stateline. Over 20 years combined, well, each person, so I would say close to 40 years of, or over 40 years of wrestling experience. One of the most condecorated tag teams in the Florida scene and the south of the United States. with matches in not only the independent scene, but also you've seen in places like AEW and NXT. And now another reversal, and WCT is thrown against the ladder, the steps, out of the ring.
I'm telling you, quick! Get your lawyer! He's right here! Ask for a continuance, because you're gonna be dead!
And we see how Torture continues to tell a couple of truths to Logan Cruz, while Logan Cruz is receiving punishment from Eddie Toros. And now is Logan Cruz. Oh! And Eddie Toros' turn. While on the other side, wait, what is Damien Angel going to do? Wow, what a sidewalk slam to the steps of the ring. Oh! Well, Logan Cruz continues the punishment against Eddie Toros. Oh! What a job, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, another one. And this is actually the match after Pride Anniversary, Pride and Honor. This match was at POW A New Beginning, July of 2023. And the match continued on the other side of the auditorium at the POW Arena at the Seminole Recreation Center. And now it's WCT and Damien Angel, the ones who are battling close to the stage of the auditorium. Basically, there's no limits on where to take this battle to. The cameraman doesn't even know who to follow because there's action. Wow! There's action everywhere. There's violence everywhere. And now the match continues. But where is Logan Cruz going? We see how Weezy wants to do that suplex on Damien Angel, but that was he doesn't let him to go. Wait a minute. Oh, what a kick! Courtesy of Logan Cruz to Damien Angel. And they keep taking all the wait. Where are you planning? No! Wow! I need a replay. What? This is unbelievable. I have no words. There's a replay here. Wow! We can see how Logan Cruz used WCT as a cannonball, any kind of a variation of a cannonball, from the stage to outside, to pretty much where all the fans are at. And if you wanted to see action close to you, this was the match to be at. Wow. To give you more history about the reason of this match, for those who remember, and you can go to our YouTube channel and look for that match of the 3 versus 3 between First Class and the Gifted, when Julie speared Logan after all the disrespect that Logan was giving to her. And Logan and Weezy were threatening with suing not only Julie, but also El Presidente, Pride Wrestling, everybody, for the actions that Julie did against them. El Presidente, yours truly, basically counter with that tornado tag match, calling Eddie Toros and Damien Angel to pretty much terminate once and for all the Gifted. Something that is it goes against my principles because I'm not supposed to get involved in the matches. I am just the president, and I should have. Wow! Wait! Wow! What a move against the ring apron, the second hardest part. And what? Oh! Now we see how Logan tried to use the briefcase from Billy the Law, their pseudo lawyer, but Damien Angel was able to move at the last minute, and the match continues. Wow! What a series of moves against Logan Cruz, and now we'll go with 2 counts. We see avoiding that the count goes to 3, and now he's the one choking Damien Angel outside of the ring. And you just woke up Damien Angel's demons with that series of chops, and the match continues in the middle of the ring between Eddie Toros and Logan Cruz. He's asking more in that back and forth. Oh! A double knockdown. What in the outside of the ring? The match continued between. What? Popcorn! No, you. Well, we never recommend that you are eating in the middle of a fight because you're not going to do a good digestion. Oh! And now Logan is the one who attacked and hit Damien Angel with the briefcase, with the infamous briefcase from Billy the Law. What are they planning now? Wait. Wait a minute. They're pointing out to the vendors and sponsors area. Wait. They're going to Men's Health unscripted table. Wait, come on, Logan. He is one of our sponsors. What are you doing? Don't tell me. Oh! Eddie came to the last minute. Wait, what are Stateline thinking? This is a double shotgun. No! Wow! They just broke in half our sponsors table. And we see Patrick from Men's Health Unscripted. He cannot believe it. A table that he brought to promote Men's Health Unscripted. And if you haven't followed them yet, follow them on Instagram and on YouTube, on Facebook, Men's Health Unscripted. Now, wow! The match continues. I thought that was it. I honestly thought that was it. A double chokeslam through a table. And that was not enough to take out of commission Logan Cruz. He kicked out at 2. Oh! What a drop kick. And now it's Wizzy the one who takes Damien Angel out of the ring. And Wizzy is trying to capitalize. And trying to control Eddie Torres. But we're talking about like Eddie Torres is almost double of Wizzy T's. Wow! What a spine buster from Logan Cruz. He's going for the splash. Yes! The splash from Wizzy T to Eddie Torres. But now it's Damien Angel, the one that is. Oh, what a DDT variation from Damien Angel to Wizzy T. And this match continues with this back and forth from Logan Cruz and Damien Angel. Oh! Now is that variation of a DDT courtesy of Logan Cruz to Damien Angel. This is the time if they want to win the match. They have to 1-2. And it's a kick out at 2. Damien Angel kick out at 2 and the match continues. Now it's Eddie with that clothesline to Wizzy T and a spinning kick to Logan Cruz. Oh! Around the world from Wizzy T. The stamina of these 4 athletes is second to none. This match is being close to 20 minutes, and the high pace and the high impact of this match and these 4 gentlemen continue with this high pace. And now we see how Wizzy T is using with Lee as a... Oh no! Oh no! Referee Lee is out of commission. Lee is out of commission. There's no referee right now. Damien Angel was going for the cutter. This is it. This is it. This is it. We need a referee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, come on! Come on, Logan! What a confrontation from Logan and yours truly, El Presidente. There was no referee. They didn't want, and Julie was not allowed to be the second referee after, as part of the lawsuit. So yours truly had to be At this point, the special referee. And now the match continues. We see it's going. Wait. We're going for that plancha. And wow! What a maneuver using the ropes, the ring ropes. And now Damien Angel is ready to finish this match once and for all. But what is Eddie doing? They said together. They want to finish the match. They're going. What it seems is going to be the Doomsday device. But now Logan is the one holding Damien Angel's legs so he cannot go for. Oh, what a drop kick! Oh! Discus punch from Logan Cruz to Eddie Torres. Damien Angel is out. We know this is the finisher. This is it. No! Come on! No! And this is how the Gifted defeated the notorious Stateline against all odds. And you can see yours truly would not believe it when we thought that the best bet was to have the notorious Stateline to terminate the Gifted. That was not enough. It backfired to yours truly, El Presidente. And now we had to accept the Gifted demands. This is how the second half of last season started for the Gifted and for Stateline. We see a defeated Damien Angel and a defeated Eddie Torres. They could not believe that they just lost to the Gifted. Something that nobody in the POW arena at the Seminole Recreation Center could believe. You hear that ovation from the POW Army to Stateline. Years they ran Florida and the south of the United States together. The notorious Stateline now. Oh my God! Eddie Torres just betrayed Damien Angels, his tag partner, his brother. Why, Eddie? Why? Cannot believe this. Cannot believe this. This is a different Eddie Torres. I don't recognize Eddie Toros, and he's going for another rock bottom from Eddie Toros to Damien Angel. Throwing through the window, through the drain. More than 20 years of a brotherhood, of a partnership. Cannot believe this. And if you want to watch more matches like this, just subscribe to PirateWrestling.com. This has been El Presidente.